Hello everybody. In today's ShotCut tutorial we're going to go over how to raise and lower audio and get rid of audio altogether. So I have a clip down here. So I'm going to be testing the audio by raising and lowering my voice, and then I'll talk pretty quiet. Basically I'm talking quietly in spots and loud in others. So at first, we can increase the audio by going to the filters tab and then going to the audio filters right here. There's one called gain volume. I could bring the gain up on this whole thing and play this. So I'm going to be testing the audio by raising and lowering my voice. But as you saw in the loud parts, the audio meter over here started to hit 0. And when it hits 0, it's overmodulated because ideally the audio is just below 0 and just above 5. Ideally, your audio is bouncing around here. As soon as it touches 0, it's overmodulated. So if I increase the gain on this clip, I can bring the quiet parts up and make them sound good. So I'm going to be testing the audio by raising. But as soon as the loud parts come, it's overmodulated. Well, I can lower the gain for the loud parts, but now it's going to be too quiet on the quiet parts. So I'm going to be testing the audio by raising and lowering my voice. So, the gain is helpful if the audio level is consistent, but there's a much better filter that we can use to adjust the audio. We're going to get rid of the gain, go to filters, click plus, and we're going to find the limiter filter. This is my favorite filter in every single editing program. It makes adjusting the audio levels so easy. What we're going to do is we're going to limit the audio to, let's say, negative 1.8 decibels. That means it will never go above negative 1.8 decibels on this meter, which means it will never be overmodulated. And I can take the gain and bring the gain way up. And this is going to increase the gain on the quiet parts, but it's going to keep it from overmodulating on the loud parts. Let's play it. So I'm going to be testing the audio by raising and lowering my voice. And then I'll talk pretty quiet, and then I'll raise and lower my voice. You see that? I mean, that just makes it so easy to make the audio consistent. And heck, I'll bring the gain up even more because it won't overmodulate no matter what. So I'm going to be testing the audio by raising and lowering my voice. And then I'll talk pretty quiet, and then I'll raise and lower my voice. Just to make you remember what it sounded like before we put the limiter filter on here. So I'm going to be testing the audio by raising and lowering my voice. And then I'll talk pretty quiet, and then I'll raise. You can see there's loud parts and quiet parts, but the limiter filter just solves that issue very quickly. And one last thing I want to do, let's say you don't want any audio at all. Well, we can, you could add maybe the gain filter, and you could bring the gain, all the way down. This would just about eliminate the audio. You can't really hear it. But there's a better way to eliminate the audio. Click the clip and go to Properties and go to the Audio tab, Track, click None, and now you have no audio at all. So, that's how you increase and decrease the audio or smooth the audio out with the limiter filter, and this is how you delete the audio completely. So that wraps up today's tutorial. You're going to see more to come on ShotCut. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.